Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Sportage S all-wheel drive. This one is the Nightfall edition. Front and rear skid plates, some badging, panoramic sunroof, metal sport pedals, sport leather steering wheel with paddle shifters, so a pretty nice option package. Do love how it says Sportage across the back, just like that. Total price of $30,965. These are leaned back, but it is quite comfortable. Of course, you can adjust your seat accordingly. Nice materials in here. This is your sports steering wheel. This is Sportage. The horn for those curious. Alright, let's take it out on the road. This one has the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. Honestly, this is a really nice SUV. Of course, you can load it to the roof if you want. You make it a $40,000 vehicle quite easily. But no, this is a really nice car. Brakes are phenomenal. Tons of bite. Six-speed automatic. Because I know this is kind of based on the Optima platform, so I wasn't sure if it used the CVT or the automatic, and it uses the automatic, which is great. I love automatics over CVTs all day. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.